Welcome to Excel Mobile Learning. Read it, hear it, see it, learn it. Excel.
Thank you for viewing the Versastain installation video. We will be demonstrating a typical installation over an existing concrete driveway. Versastain is a unique polymerized concrete stain. It is a ready-to-use, penetrating reactive concrete staining product that chemically bonds with cured concrete or cementitious toppings to produce translucent color effects. Versastain is a low VOC, environmentally sound green building material. It may contribute to earning LEED credits for indoor environmental quality, low-emitting materials based on low contribution of VOC. Please review the current material safety data sheet located at www.garagecoatings.com for exact VOC documentation. On this project, we are demonstrating a typical installation where the V100 was used as the heavy-duty cleaner degreaser. The staining method chosen is a highly effective layered process, which greatly reduces the visibility of existing stains when complete. The surface is pre-wetted with water, and then a mixture of 1 part V100 and 9 parts water is mixed to create the cleaning solution. This solution is applied to the surface, and then vigorous scrubbing begins by using rotary floor cleaners, stiff brooms, and/or high-pressure washers. The concrete surface needs to be absorbent, clean, and free of any foreign material that could cause the Versastain to separate or act as a bond breaker. For heavily stained or contaminated surfaces, mechanical profiling and/or installing a micro-topping like Versatil's Quick Top should be considered to achieve a uniform surface. When the surface is dry, all areas not to be stained were masked off or covered to prevent overspray. The Versastain is mixed with the color pack to obtain the color. A color pack container is opened up, and then the contents are placed into a clear Versastain base while mixing with a drill-type mixing paddle. For this project, the contractor wanted to apply a white stain as the base coat, which will help hide the existing stains. The Versastain is applied to the surface by pouring it directly onto the concrete while spreading it evenly with a very fine bristled broom. This method is used to scrub in the stain to achieve good penetration and uniformity. When dry, another color was mixed and applied to the surface in the same manner. Here the customer chose to go with a concrete gray color. If color drift or movement of color is desired, it is possible to introduce a third color over the stain while it is wet to achieve a unique wet-into-wet look. Many designs and patterns can be achieved with Versastain by using different application techniques, such as the wet-into-wet technique. For best wet-into-wet results, the prior layer is allowed to set for 5 to 10 minutes before the other color is introduced. You can also use sponges, feathers, brushes, irregular rollers, and more to create different patterns, which will create very unique and repeatable results. The only limit is your imagination and creativity. The final step is the sealing process. The Versastain is allowed to dry for at least 24 hours before applying a protective solvent-based sealer over it. If a water-based sealer is chosen, then it can be applied over the Versastain as soon as it is dry to the touch. The contractor chose to use Versatil's 100 VOC Versaglaze Matte Finish Lacquer Sealer and Rhino Grip No. 60 Non-Skid. Rhino Grip is designed to stay suspended in the liquid for extended periods of time, which allows for uniform coverage of the non-skid in the final film. The Rhino Grip is added to the Versaglaze and mixed thoroughly. Here we see the contractor rolling out the Versaglaze 100 onto the surface using a roller and brush. The Versastain will accept many of Versatil's sealer lines. For a basic sealer, use the Versaglaze 100 VOC material as shown. For a medium high-performance sealer, try Versatil's 4001 Wet Look Epoxy, which is top-coated with the 5400 water-based chemical-resistant urethane. And for the best sealing system that will provide a mirror-like gloss, use 4001 as the primer, and then top-coat it with the Polyurea 5073 series. This will provide the absolute best gloss and abrasion-resistant clear protective top coat available. All of the sealer systems previously listed are below 50 VOC, making them legal for use in all AQMD districts in the United States, and they will also provide great hot tire resistance making them suitable for use over driveway surfaces. As you can see, Versastain gave this old driveway a like-new appearance. Even the brick inlays look better after the concrete was stained with Versastain and sealed with Versaglaze. Versastain and Versaglaze products are manufactured by Versatile Building Products, one of the few leading companies developing low VOC formulas to help reduce the effects of global warming.
Thank you for watching Excel Mobile Learning. Read it, hear it, see it, learn it, Excel.